The history of the refrigerator and its impact on food storage. Before refrigerators, people used ice houses and salt to preserve food for longer periods. In 1755, Scottish scientist William Cullen demonstrated the principles of mechanical refrigeration. The first practical refrigeration system was invented in 1834 by Jacob Perkins, revolutionizing food preservation. Electric refrigerators became common in households by the 1920s, changing how families stored food. Refrigerators not only preserved food but also transformed dining habits and food culture globally. Join us for more fascinating historical insights!